Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Simran and this is the first actual video that I'm making apart from the shorts in my feed. So just to give an overview about my channel, I'm going to make videos related to beauty, that is makeup and skincare, and cooking, home organization, and travel videos, especially in California. Basically my day-to-day life here in US. So if you are new to this channel and if you are interested to watch my content, then please subscribe to my channel and let's start our journey together. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I spend my weekend, and my plan for the day is to go for a hike and then come back home, rest for a while, and then in the evening we are going to do a little shopping. So I'll take you guys along with me. So let's go. Hi everyone, we are now heading to this place called the Donner Canyon here in California, and it's about 30 to 35 minutes drive from where I stay. It's raining and it's cloudy, but I'm still excited to go here. It stopped raining as soon as we started our hike here, and the temperature was just perfect. The view is so beautiful from here, and I can't wait to see the waterfall, which is at the end of the hike. Because of the rains, the track was muddy, and as we proceeded, the mud got stuck in our shoes and we couldn't walk because we were walking uphill, but we still managed to do half the hike and then we returned back. We are now heading home halfway from the hike, but we are hungry, so we came to this restaurant and we ordered this paneer burji dosa, and it looks so tempting. I can't wait to have mine. I ordered a masala dosa, so look how big it is. Look at our shoes. Oh my god. After removing all the mud, this is what we have now. And we have to wash it. After washing my dirty shoes, I took a long shower for an hour. And now I'm doing my skincare because we are now going to Sephora for some shopping. And I'm applying some hyaluronic acid here. This moisturizer is from It Cosmetics and it is amazing for dry skin like me. This is my eye cream from the same brand. It's called the Bye Bye Under Eyes, I guess. This is actually my night cream which my dermat gave it to me. It has hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and a lot of other ingredients which are particularly for pigmented skin. I'm ready, and now we are heading to Sephora. We reached here, and I'm always excited to come here because I love makeup. I love their packaging. It looks so chic and elegant. I love this brand, and I love this moisturizer, and the counter is pink, so I love it. Each time I come to Sephora, it makes me want to buy everything. But that is my love for makeup. We are now heading to this place called Cakes and Bakes because my friend wants to have pani puri. This place not only serves pani puri, but they also have a lot of Indian snacks such as samosa, pav bhaji, and they also have eggless cakes here. And it is dinner time now, and I'm having a avocado and egg toast topped with some bagel seasoning. It was a long day, and we are gonna watch some horror movie now and end the night here. But I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next vlog. So good night, guys. See you tomorrow.